jumped out of the fairway to go. Green going like yellow. So getting Cavalier out for the second up on Lewis. After open the 3, followed by Mark Jimenez and Leitner. About 30 seconds down, 5:30 to go. Last time by Cavalier going to 17-5. Now 45 down, 5:15 to go. It'll be clear 1.2 up on Lewis. Lewis going 65 off that. Gross in the 3 spot. Ooh, a little something for Gross under the quad. That's going on Mark's side position. Yeah, now we're going to lose remains within 1.5.
No problem.
A little quicker, so I'm going to give you a bit of an advantage here. Oh, now we're going to up. Guys, nose and tail making their way down the straightaway. Oh, that's good. Yellow. There you go. Yeah, Grove is on the ball. It's going to be 10 marks up to the lead. Dropping out the lead award. Oh, trouble for Martin. Oh, getting collected there at the quad. Oh, Luke and double collected there. We're looking out for Cavalier. Relatively new. Cavalier going out on traffic. Looking at by playing next truck in SIC is going to be Julian. Got BG about 1.2 back to Charlie. You got heading away down the straightaway. Got Harry Lewis making the move on Martin for the 3 spot. Let's get up in the mark. Oh, where's the trouble with this cross down? Got 2:15 in, 3:45 to go. Not really making his way down the straightaway. Looks like he's making moves on in a minute. Couple of hours quad, not too quad. Alright, here we go. Lewis to the 2. Right to 3. No, actually, I was ready. Not much still got on his lid. I looked at 2. We can check out of this one. He got the double jump. Caution, hit the tip of your drop. Someone did. Hit the tip of your drop. Alright, as your order to be Cavalier, Lewis, Gross, Martin, Leitner, and then 3 coming in here, 40 to go. Cavalier has checked out in the front. Coming up on traffic. 3:35 in, 2:25 to go. Cavalier has a 6-second advantage. Looks like Cavalier's ready to lose that as long as he has a break. Coming up on traffic. Coming up on Martin's next. Right there, making his way down the 28 seconds right through the ladder. Ooh, little Martin. Watch out, you got Cavalier coming up. I know you got Dollar going on. Trouble for Martin down the straightaway.
Good job.
Put your leader, green truck, guys. Green truck is your leader. Right there, making his way down the straightaway, down the solid green, 1:20 to go. way through traffic.